Hello, all my dear aspirants. Welcome to your brand new episode of Defense Info. Today we will discuss about Sukhoi 30 MKI. So let us begin. Sukhoi 30 MKI, which are currently 260 are in service and 12 will be added soon. The NATO reporting name is Flanker H. Sukhoi 30 MKI, where MKI stands for Moderniziro Vanvi, Komarchevsky and Indisky, which means modernized commercial Indian. The aircraft has integrated avionics developed in countries like Russia, India, France and Israel. The Sukhoi MKI has been limitedly joined with the Sukhoi as well as the HAL Hindustan Aeronautical Limited exclusively for the Indian Air Force. Now guys, if we see about Sukhoi 30 MKI, we can get that the aircraft is a tailor-made for Indian specification and to integrate with Indian systems, which include the special features like thrust vectoring control and cannons. It has the ability similar to the Su-35 with which it shares many features and components. Sukhoi 30 MKI is a twin-jet air superiority multi-role fighter aircraft. This aircraft is a heavyweight, all-weather, long-range fighter aircraft and it is generally used for air superiority with short range and beyond visual range air-to-air combat. This aircraft has the capability to do air-to-strike deep interaction missions and super maneuverability. When we talk about the super maneuverability, we generally go with the Pugachev's Cobra maneuver, and this maneuver is generally performed by the Sukhoi 30 MKI and the other series of Sukhoi versions like 27, 35, etc. Now if we see that Sukhoi 30 MKI, its speeds is generally about Mach 2.0 and at having a range of 3000 kilometers, and it have a service ceiling of 17,300 meters and rate of climb 300 meter per second. It can have a maximum crew of 2. Now if we talk about avionics, it include the BARS passive electronically scanned array radar and it have a DRDO Tarang Mk2 radar warning receiver and Israeli made ELM8 222 jammers and OLS laser optical infrared search and tracking. It includes a Lyulka AL31FP afterburning turbofan engines as it works on a twin engine system, so per engine it can generate 123 kN thrust in combined rate 246 kN thrust. It is integrated with advanced missiles like Astra BVR missiles, R-77 active radar homing air-to-air missiles, Mika missiles, BrahMos next generation missiles and anti-radiation missile Rudram. This aircraft was integrally having an armament which includes 30mm gun and this autocannon is having 150 round. The total it having 12 hard points. Now we can see in 2019 in December month this Sukhoi aircraft have tested BrahMos NG missiles and recently this Sukhoi also have tested with Mika missiles and now has been integrated successfully. So thank you all my dear friends and please do subscribe our channel, like, share and we will going to bring you new videos on topic of aircraft and other defense knowledge, and please do share with your friends because it is a one-step platform for all your defense need. Thank you so much.